Hey Texters, Nick here, Sales Development Team Lead at Easy Texting. Do you need help communicating urgent information to your employees? Then it's time to consider mass SMS text messaging, especially if your workforce is in the field or areas with spotty internet connectivity. Easy Texting customers enjoy 98% open rates, compared to just 18% for email, in addition to industry-leading speed and deliverability. Here's the top 3 reasons Easy Texting customers leverage mass text messaging for internal communications. Number 1 is speed. Draft your message, select your contact group, and hit send. In-app texting is instantaneous as long as you have internet connectivity. Number 2 is deliverability. Bypass inboxes, voicemails, or spam folders by sending your messages directly to employee mobile devices, like the iPhone or Android they have handy every day. And number 3 is reporting. Fine-tune your internal communication strategy using key performance metrics like clicks, replies, delivered messages, bounced messages, and more. Emergency alerts, including crises and operational changes, apply to every industry. Here are a few examples of times you should be mass text messaging your workforce. Inclement weather advisories, workplace hazards, health and safety concerns, other emergency situations. While we don't invite these situations into day-to-day life, they do occur. And when they do, you need to be agile and responsive to keep your workforce safe and prepared for what's next. Outside of emergencies, you can mass text message employees during the following situations: recruiting, shift changes, specialized training sessions, onboarding new employees. Because of the virtually limitless benefits, realtors, schools, nonprofits, recruiters, retailers, auto dealers, and more are using mass text messages to communicate with employees quickly, boost engagement, and streamline operations. And now it's your turn. Save heaps of time and money while fine-tuning your internal communication using mass SMS texting for employees. Happy texting!
Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.